It's Friday, January 21st, 2022. Possibly 1 p.m. Arizona time, Bullhead City, San Genarro RV Park. And that's site 33 where this guy's at, and that's our site. Mini Winnie's behind that truck.
Did you get some strawberries?
A lot. He gave us a lot. What we're talking about is neighbor Russ moved in just recently. Somewhere he got all that fruit, vegetables, even lunch meats, cold cuts, sourdough bread. This thing goes. Keep this video going for a few more moments, huh? See if I can get back a little bit. Oh, he's dropping. Okay, that's it for this one.